Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a forward edge steering wheel. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues or accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait for at least 2 minutes to allow any residual power to dissipate. Ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the steering column is locked. Next, we'll address the airbag module. On the back of the steering wheel, you'll find 2 small access holes. Carefully insert a small flat blade screwdriver or a similar tool into these holes to release the internal retaining clips. Once released, gently pull the airbag module forward. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the airbag, being mindful of their fragile nature. With the airbag safely out of the way, you can now access the main steering wheel retaining bolt. This is typically a large bolt located in the center of the steering shaft. Use the appropriate size socket to loosen and remove it completely. Before pulling the wheel off, make a mental note or mark its alignment to ensure proper reinstallation. Then, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. When it's time to reinstall, proper alignment is crucial. Ensure the steering wheel is perfectly centered before sliding it back onto the shaft. Reconnect all electrical plugs securely, making sure they click into place. Tighten the center retaining bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and you're all set. Always double-check your work for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.